Hello everyone, my name is Rushita Shah and I'm a first year MBBS student at BJMC Ahmedabad. I'm going to speak on the topic online education. These last 2 years of pandemic have been very difficult for everyone. People have been adjusting to it in the form of banking, online office work or online education. Personally, online education for me has also been very challenging as I wasn't used to it. Gradually, as time progressed, I understood and realized that it has many advantages over the original system. For instance, we can visualize and learn, understand things better, and relate well with the topics. Curiosity and interest also develops. Using two senses, that is audition and vision, simultaneously can help us concentrate and focus more as compared to the original system of reading a book passively. There is more rote learning in the books we read, and the online education has given us the opportunity to broaden our thinking, our perspective, and create a new life. It has also given us the opportunity to think outside the box. Personally, I found online education very advantageous over the original system. But as we know that nothing is perfect and everything has two sides. So, the flip side of the online education is that it cannot replace the cadavers and the physical things shown to us in the schools or the colleges. Virtual dissection tools may show us all the minute structures, the details of the body, but it cannot replace the physical cadavers. It cannot give us the feel and the connect that the cadavers give. When we take the parts in our hand, we see it, we touch it, we discuss it, then only we can understand and relate to it properly. It can maybe supplement the original system. Like if we see the videos of dissection and go to the college and then physically dissect, then we may relate to the things properly and in a more effective way. But it cannot replace the system of dissection and cadavers. But this pandemic has indeed shown us a very important thing, that we need to always modernize and we need to always update ourselves with the time. We need to go with the flow. We cannot sit and expect that things will always be like it used to be before 10 years, 20 years, or 100 years. So we can see modernizing all over the world after the pandemic. Infrastructure have been developing, new digital tools, online education, online tools, everything has been invented. It has been used very nicely now. The way of teaching, sources of teaching, discussions, practicals, everything have been changed, and I can feel it around me. And I think this modernizing is been taking place all over the world as well. Using 3D models for teaching, digital tools, online examination, all are signs of this revolution being taken place. People now have realized that there is a need to change the way we used to do things. There is a need for change in the system. And now we are moving from an era of blackboard to an era of smartboard. So pandemic has given us this opportunity and we should grab it and make our lives easier, smarter, and more productive. Thank you.